Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to create an online course on your own WordPress website. Okay, so this video was inspired by Born to Sing with a Guitar. So for a while now, he has been having issues trying to set up his online course, trying to sell it on his own platform to his audience, but he has been having issues with it. So that's why he left a comment on some of my videos, and I decided to do this video to actually show you step by step on how you can create an online course and sell it on your own WordPress website easily. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. If you're new to the channel as well, subscribe, because in this channel I talk about a whole lot of things that is going to help you grow your online business. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's dive straight to what we have today. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a website already. So if you don't know how to create a website, you can watch this video. I showed you exactly how to do that in this video. So just get a domain name and web hosting, connect that and install WordPress on it. So once you are here, now we need to log in the back end of the website. So just go to the website /wp-admin, then enter your login details, and you'll be brought straight to the dashboard. Okay, so once you're here, you want to do two things. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to go to plugins and add new. We want to install two plugins. Now these two plugins is going to allow us to set up our online course and sell it on our own platform. It's very easy to do. So just go to this search bar here and type in Tutor LMS, Tutor, then LMS. I think I've already installed it, but you want to search for this plugin. As you can see, I've installed and activated it. So you need to search for this plugin, install it, and activate it. Now it's going to kind of bring up a screen asking you to follow the setup. Just skip that process, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do other things. Okay, once you've installed it and activated it, the next one you want to do is WooCommerce. So search for WooCommerce and install and activate WooCommerce as well, as I've done it already. I've installed and activated WooCommerce already. So WooCommerce is also going to bring up a setup wizard asking you to follow. Just skip that process. I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything in this video. So once you've installed these two plugins, now we are good to go. So all you need to do is go to Tutor LMS. As you can see here on the dashboard, you're going to see this Tutor LMS, and once you hover on it, you're going to see a bunch of options. So just go to settings, and once you're at the settings tab, now you need to do some settings. You need to set up this thing properly to work. So this page, the first page, which is the general settings, I normally leave it the way it is. Okay, I'll just come here to this error message for wrong login credentials. I'll just write incorrect details here. So this page is going to show up whenever they enter wrong details for their login. Now once you've done that, you go to this course page here, and we want to enable Gutenberg editor. Once you enable that, you also want to enable auto redirect to courses, which is this one. And once you've enabled that, you need to scroll down again, and you can leave this bunch of these ones. They are very important. And save changes. Remember to always save changes before you move to a new tab. Okay, so once we've done that, we now need to go to WooCommerce. So click on WooCommerce and enable add to cart features for guest users, then save changes. Then once that is saved, go to monetization and enable WooCommerce here. Click on WooCommerce and save changes. Now these are the basic settings we need to do. Now we've done that, next thing we need to do is to go to this courses tab here. Now once we click on courses tab here, this is where we're going to create our own course. Very simple. So as you can see, there is no course here already. So I'm going to walk you through quickly how to set up your own course here, which is going to be very easy to follow. So all you just need to do is to click on add new to add a new course. Okay, once we click on add new, we are going to be brought to where we can start adding our courses already. So it's very simple. You already know what to do, so you need to just follow me as we continue. So the first thing you need to do right now is to give your course a name. So I'm gonna just call this demo course. I'm gonna just call it demo 101. Yeah, I think I don't want to. So minimum number of students 0 for unlimited. Leave it at 0 for unlimited number of students. That means anybody can apply for the course. Now difficulty level, you can set it as beginner, intermediate, or expert, or all level. I'll just select all level. Now select a product. This option here, we're going to do that on our WooCommerce section, so just continue watching this video. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now the course type is going to be a paid course, so select paid. And this course builder here, this is where we are going to do a lot of magic. Okay, so I'm going to come back for this, but in the meantime, let's scroll down. Now benefit of the course, you want to write a detailed benefit of the course here. Requirement and instructions, you want to write the requirement needed for your course here, and make sure you're writing a detailed stuff, because this is going to appear on the course page for your students to see. Now targeted audience, you can write who this course is for. Okay, the target people, the people you're trying to target with the course. Now the materials needed, you can also write the materials needed for the course, for them to achieve the course here. Now once you've done this part, remember this is going to show up on the home page. Now we need to impute an intro video. So this is going to be a video that is going to explain what the course is all about and all those stuff. This is just an introductory video. So you need to select that. Once you click on it, is either you upload the video. If you click on this HTML5, it's going to ask you to upload the video. If the video is on your computer already, then you can upload it. Now if you have the video on your drive or your Google Drive or some other drive, then you can use this external link. Just get the link to the video and paste it here. Okay, so very simple. Now you can also add videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and you can also embed videos. So I'm going to use YouTube and video link, pasting one of my YouTube video link. Okay, so once we've done that, we need to come to this tab right here, now this section here, and add a featured image. Now we need to let's upload a featured image. Okay, just click on upload, go to download and select this one and upload this featured image. Now once you have uploaded this featured image, the next thing we want to go to is this accept option. Now this is where you're going to write a detailed stuff about your course. You need to explain what your course is for, and just write a detailed stuff about what your course is for here. Now after you've done that, now let's publish this course. Okay, just publish it, and now let's view the course page. Okay, so that you can see how easy and how clean it's going to look like. Now as you can see, this is the course page that we just created. As you can see, it didn't take us so much time to set it up. Very simple and basic. And this is about the course, what you will learn. Remember, you need to add all those detailed stuff here. Now you can also remove this share option here. You can also remove the date, but I think all these things are okay. Now you can also do anything you want to do. You can also remove this review option at the settings. Okay, so just go to the settings. You're going to see all these options to do that, the general settings. Now as you can see, it said this course is a free course. You can easily enroll now for it. That's because we have not set up a payment gateway, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that because if you don't set up a payment gateway, it's not going to be a paid course. Okay, so this is the introductory video we just inserted from my YouTube video.
You guys, what's up, beautiful people?
Yes, so very simple and unique and basic, so people can come here and see what the course is all about, and they can enroll for the course. Now let's go back to the course page. Now let's refresh this page. Okay, now we need to add the content of the course, because as you can see, we just created a page for the course. We have not added in the lessons, the topics and all those stuff. Now to do that, you need to do that here. So come down here and go to add topic. Now this will be the topics of your course. Now once you click on it, you say what we should give this topic a name. So let's call this topic something like what is digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Then you can give a summary here. You can write a summary here. Now once that is written, you just click on add topic and it's going to add it to the topic. Now remember this, you need to build your courses this way, step by step, so that students can be able to understand. Now we can either do two things: that we add lesson or quizzes. So if you just have a video, now depending on the kind of course you want to sell, if it's just a video course, just add lessons, okay? But you can see an option to add your quiz if you want to have quizzes on your course. So just I just normally leave all this I'll just call this lesson 1. So just call this lesson 1, and I don't want to add any text or featured image. I just want to upload the video. So click on video source. Like I told you, you can upload the video directly, or add a link to your drive here where the video is, or use YouTube. So I'll just use YouTube and paste the same video link here and click on update lesson. Now that lesson is going to be added. So I can also add more lessons to this topic. Now once I'm done with this topic, I can go to another topic, click on add topic, and I might say why digital marketing. This is the next topic. So as you can see, it's building up fine. Then you can also give a summary. That's totally optional. And once that is done, click on add topic and it's going to add the topic. Now I need to scroll up a little and I can add lessons to the topic. So let me add a lesson. I just need to call this lesson 2. No, or I just call it lesson 1 under topic 2, remember. So let me call it lesson 1. You can add as many lessons as you want on any topic, okay? So let me just use my normal YouTube video source and update the lesson. Now that is going to upload. Now that's how you add your videos or your courses step by step. You try to add topics and add lessons under the topics, or you can also add quizzes. Very simple. Now you can also set the course duration and all those things, but I normally leave that. It's not so much required. Now once that is done, everything looks good now. So let's update this course. Now after we have updated this, now we need to go back to WooCommerce. This is very simple. Go back to WooCommerce, go to settings. Now we need to this is where we now need to link our product with our payment gateway. But to do that, we need to go to this account and privacy. Now once you go to account and privacy, you want to allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout, and you want to allow customers to create an account during checkout, and you want to allow customers to you can leave this unchecked, and this. So okay, so just leave it the way it is after all the stuff and click on save changes. Now the changes has been saved and everything is good. Now we need to go to this general settings. Okay, now this is where you're going to change the currency of the WooCommerce if you want. So you can change the currency to whatever you want here. So I'll just leave it at United States dollars and save changes as well. So once that is done, go to payments, and you can connect any payment gateway you want. As you can see, there's these 3 options, which is not good at all. Direct bank transfer, check, and cash on delivery. It's not good at all. It's totally poor. So we need to set up this PayPal and Stripe. It's the same process. Just go through it, and it's going to just tell you to log in your PayPal or your Stripe, and you connect it. So I don't have a Stripe account. My country does not support that, but I have a PayPal account. So I'll just click on get started on PayPal, but it's almost the same process. Just click on get started on this Stripe option here, and you can be able to connect your Stripe if you want with that method. So now we need to connect PayPal. So to connect PayPal is very simple. All I just need to do is to click on connect PayPal, and it's going to have this pop-up here and ask me to log into my PayPal account. Now once I log into my PayPal account, it's going to automatically connect. Now I can start receiving payment for my course from PayPal. Very simple. So it's kind of loading up right now, so wait for it to load up. So now we need to enter the email address of our PayPal account. So I'm entering my email address here. So once that is done, just click on next, and it's going to ask us to enter a password. Okay, my password is here already, so I just need to log in my PayPal account. So it's going to send me an authorization message to my number. So I'll say yes, send it, and it's going to send that. Now let me get the code. I'm trying to get the code. Okay, the code has arrived. So let me enter the code here. Okay, so I've entered the code, and I'm going to log in my PayPal here right now. As you can see, identity confirmed, and now it's going to log me in, or it's going to connect my PayPal straight to our WooCommerce products, to our WooCommerce store. So this way people can buy my courses and I receive payment. Okay, so let me try to change this, change my country to Nigeria, and click next. So it's trying to tell me to log in again. So let's log in back to PayPal and see how it is. So as you can see, I just need to agree and connect. So let me agree and connect right now, and go back to WooCommerce for developer. Okay, it has connected our PayPal to our WooCommerce store. Very easy. So that way we don't need to stress ourselves. As you can see, it's connected already. So everything, yes, it's connected already. So we don't need to do anything. So all my PayPal details are here already, and our WooCommerce stuff. So I just need to just save it, and I can disconnect it anytime I want by using this method. So it's here already. So all I need to do right now, I can just leave it, but I'm going to keep this in a sandbox mode because I want to test it out. Okay, so remember, sandbox is just for testing. You need to remove this sandbox mode once you're going live. Okay, so I want to enable the PayPal payment gateway, enable that, and once that is done, let me hit on save changes. Okay, we have a bunch of stuff here, but let's hit on save changes, and that is going to save immediately. So it's saved. Now we need to do one more thing for us to successfully sell that course. Now we've created everything. Remember when I told you we need to come back to WooCommerce. Now let's go back to products and click on add new. Now we need to add our course as a product on WooCommerce. Now that way we are going to connect it so that we can be able to sell our course using WooCommerce. Now the same name that you gave your course, you're going to do that here so that you won't get confused. So I called it demo 101. You can also write a description about the course here again, but I'll just leave that. Now here you need to click on single product. Okay, then click on this virtual product, click on downloadable product, and click on for tutor. Now once you do that, you need to set the price of your course here. So let's say the course is $100. So just leave it for $100. Okay, I've set the price, and you have to leave every other thing here because it's so much, and this is just the basic thing we need. So we can come back to talk about other things later on. You can also add the description of the course here if you want, but just leave it the way it is. And once that is done, hit on publish. Now we've published that. Now we need to connect our course with this product. So go back to our Tutor LMS, and once we add our Tutor LMS section, we need to go to courses. Now we need to go back to that course that we created, which is this demo 101 course, and click on edit. Now once you click on edit, I'm going to show you the section where we need to connect these two platforms. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. So just come down here and you're going to see this select a product. Now we need to select the product. As you can see, the product is here now, demo 101. So just select it, because if you don't select it here, you can't be able to pay. It's going to make the course free for students, and that's not what we want. So just select that product here, and once you select that, we need to update it. Okay, so it's going to update. Now let's view the course again on a new tab. Okay, so this is the course on a new tab. Now as you can see, everything is working, and it's very easy to set up, and it's working perfectly. As you can see, the course now is a paid course, whereas before it was made available for free because we have not done the steps we just did. But right now it's a paid course, and as you can see, it's paid is for $100, and they can add it to cart and shop it immediately. As you can see, they can also view the topics inside the course. As you can see, what is digital marketing, lesson 1. You can, as you can see, that's what we have here, and they can also view the ones we have in lesson 2 and all those stuff. And they can also view your instructor's profile here. Very simple. Okay, this is very simple. So now we can go ahead to buy this product. Now let me add this thing to cart, and now it's added to cart. Okay, let's say I'm a student right now. I've added it to cart. Let me view cart. I can view the cart. Now this is the cart, and I'm okay with it. Now let me proceed to check out. Now this is the checkout page. I need to fill out all this information. Let me just fill it out immediately, and it's filled out immediately. Okay, so it's filled out. Now let's place an order. Okay, yeah, I think we have a problem with this stuff right here. Okay, let me try to refresh and see where the problem is. Okay, as you can see, because we enabled sandbox method for PayPal, I think it's having issues. So let me go back to let's go back to our site and go back to WooCommerce and go to settings. Okay, now once we are here, let's go to payment. Let's go to this payment option, and now we need to, as you can see, there's a little problem we need to do. That's WooCommerce for you, WordPress. We need to enable this PayPal. Because we have not enabled it, we couldn't make payment. So now we've enabled it. I think we need to save changes. Okay, it's asking me to connect to PayPal sandbox. Okay, let me remove this sandbox stuff. Okay, because I don't want to connect any sandbox. I think we just make it live. Okay, maybe in other videos. I need to enable PayPal payment gateway now. Once I enable that, and I'll hit save changes right here, and yeah, let's go back to this page and refresh. I think it should fix now. Yeah, I think it's fixed. It's kind of loading up. All right. Yeah, it's fixed. As you can see, PayPal, very simple. So fill out our details. This is pay via PayPal. So they can pay with their credit card. Just click on this credit card option here, and they can enter their credit card details under this place, and make payments. And once they pay, they will have your course, or they can pay via PayPal directly. Now I don't have any credit card. I wish I have one. I could test out this stuff, and after all, the money is going to enter my PayPal directly. So, but I don't have anyone for now. So, but this is working because it's connected successfully. So, but before you launch this course to your students, I want you to test it out. You can make the course just for $1 and test it out. And once you receive the payment, then you can increase the price to the normal price. But as you can see, everything is working. Now, let me show you something real quick before we end this video. I believe you gained value from today's video. So this is where everything is done. So now to add those pages that we just saw, those add to cart, all those stuff to our main website, because now if you go to our main website, we are not going to see all those pages right here. Now to add those pages, you need to go to appearance, and under appearance, go to menu. Now this menu option, this is where you are going to see all those pages we passed through. Okay, so you just need to create a menu. I'll just call it menu 1 and click and set it as primary menu, and click on create new. Now once we create this new menu, we are going to see a bunch of menus here. So we need to create this checkout menu, we need to add this basket menu, we need to click on this student registration menu. These are menus that are important. Okay, we need and this dashboard menu as well. These menus are important. So once you do that, click on add to menu, and they'll be added immediately, and we'll need to save menu. Okay, so once we save that, we'll go back to our normal website, to our website right now, and refresh. And once we refresh that, we should see all those menus. As you can see, those menus are appearing right here on our screen. So now, how do you see the number? How do you know if the students have bought your course? You can go see that under students. If you click on students, you're going to see the amount of students that have bought your course already, and you can also make announcements, okay, inside the course. So anybody taking the course, you can add a new announcement and send it out to those people that are taking your courses already. You can also see quizzes attempts. If you add quiz on your course, you can see the amount of attempts that your students have attempted your quizzes and the rest of them. Now you can use this method that I've showed you to sell as many courses as possible. Now this is a simple stuff. I believe you enjoyed this video. Now if you want to get a link to this course, just click on courses and view, and click on view this course. Okay, once you click on view, you are going to get the link to the course page. Now this is the link you want to share to your students. Or another thing you can do is you can create a simple page, a well-designed page for your course, then add a buy now button under it, and link this page to it, and link this page to the button. So with that, whenever they click on this link, they can be able to get this course. So I can copy this, go to a new incognito window, and paste this link here. And once I go to this link, I'm going to be brought straight to the same page. Now here I can view what the course is all about. I can see about the course. I can play the demo video. I can play the intro video and everything. Then I can decide to add it to basket, and view my basket and add my details. Remember, it's going to be based on the kind of theme you are using. Okay, this is just the basic WordPress theme, so it might not be looking so great, but your theme should be looking very pretty, and it should take shape immediately. And I can pay using PayPal. Remember, you can also connect your Stripe so that you can also accept payment using Stripe. Now I believe you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, tell me in the comment section. Turn on the bell icon, subscribe so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Born to sing with a guitar. I believe I answered your questions. So if you have more questions, tell me in the comment section, and trust me, I'll be there to answer your questions even more. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay cool and remain blessed.